Okay, this is the final tighten down on the motor mount. I had to reduce it down so I could use an 18 on this thing. Stupid size. Boy, it better not strip out. I'm not tightening it anymore. Doesn't feel right. I'm not tightening it anymore. This ain't my car. I'm not going to fiddle with it. Okay, that means I can let this go. Finally, it's in the frame. Finally. Okay, so finally this is all in the frame. Take the blocks out from underneath, and this is in the frame, not being supported anymore. I would not suggest buying one of these with air, because I don't like it. I have to pause a minute. Yeah, that was going to be a little short because I got it in, I got it where it's supposed to be. It's no longer being supported on the pan or otherwise, but my upper torso and my neck is killing me, so I'm going to cut it off for today. I still have to find my compression tester. I'm going to try to find it, and maybe tomorrow I'll crank it over, check compression. I have to get oil. I'm not sure about spark plugs missing. I'm not sure yet, but this is the stage we're at right now.